Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are in Wembley Central in London Borough of Brent in North West London. So without further ado, let's take off. Right, drone's up in the sky. Let's do a drone flight in Finchley Road. And I've come up all the way up to Wembley to do a drone flight here. I've done a drone flight here at Wembley back in July last year. That was near Wembley Park. You know, I've come the same place, but I've come all the way down to near Wembley Central, which is another station near here. So I thought I'd do a drone flight here. Instead, I was thinking, where's the drone flight? I was thinking of doing it in somewhere in Harrow or Pinner. I might do that after, but I thought because this is on the way, I thought I might as well do it here on the way. Then do another drone flight in Harrow. I'll see what the time is, if it's late. And also my other battery, I need to charge it if I am doing it third drone flight today. Actually it's 4:25, so I guess I can do another drone flight today. So what I'll do, I'll put it on charge on my power bank, and I'll just put the mini 4 battery that I just used in Finchley Road, and I'll put that on charge. Alright, so at King Edward Park in Wembley, so yep. So we'll get a shot of this area. We'll go down towards Wembley Central, which is down towards here. Let's go towards here, which is on the Bakerloo Line and the Lioness Line, which goes through here. So yep, we're in the HA9 postcode. Is Wembley Central down here, towards here? Or was that? Seems like the sun's gone now. You know what? I should have taken off after the clouds passed. So the big cloud is just coming. I didn't take notice of that. It was sunny the whole time, and then as soon as I come here, it's got cloudy. I hope it doesn't persist. So go down towards here. Alright, let's go towards this area down here. Or maybe towards North Wembley. We're between 2 stations right now, so nice sunny day, but it's not sunny. I've done a lot of drone flights in this borough, London Borough of Brent. North Wembley, that's where we are. And I've done a lot of drone flights all across London, but I feel like I've done a lot of drone flights. I covered the whole borough of Brent, I think. The only part of Brent I haven't done is Sudbury. I've flown pretty much every borough. I've pretty much done all of Ealing as well, and all of Tower Hamlets. I've done all of, I've done pretty much, if you see my video in my channel, I've flown in every single London borough in London. I haven't done all of Harrow yet, so I need to do Pinner, which I'm probably going to do next. So where else can we go? It's a nice sunny day here. We're near North Wembley, basically. Check out the neighbourhood of Wembley. Look, I'll get a shot of the bus going towards this way. It's an industrial area in North Wembley. Get a shot towards here. This area down here. Let's go towards this area down here. A little junction down here, let's get a shot of that. What we'll do is just come back towards this area down towards here. Check out the neighbourhood, check out the hood. I think Wembley Central's towards down here. Let's go towards this area down here. Wembley Central. We need to go to the other side of the pitch, field then, because we need to get a full view. Let's just stay static for a bit while I go there. Go towards Central. Look at that, that's the towards the area. So that's towards Wembley Central, so let's get a shot of this area. Oops, bit of side wind, and it's just the gimbal that's affected. So that's the high road. Right, let's get a shot, let's face direction of travel, go towards here. Let's get a shot of the area down here. Let's get a shot towards this area down here. That's Ealing Road, major road in Wembley, so get a shot in this area down here. If we go here, we're going to go behind the building, so I know we're probably alright, but I just want to be safe in it. No, we're alright. So let's get a shot of this area though. Let's get a orbit shot. Let's get a shot towards this area. Little side winds, crosswinds. It's not even windy today, I don't understand. Why the drone's experiencing winds? Just from up there, isn't it? Yeah, let's get a shot this area down here. Cause I need to like walk towards the shade because my phone's overheating now. Got a high-speed train coming through here. We'll see it in a minute. Should see it. I don't see it. That's strange. Maybe it's going the other way. Have we got a freight train coming here? Let's go towards this area down here. I don't understand. It's sunny where I'm standing, but the drone's getting cloudy footage. I don't know why. Actually, no, it is sunny. Like in one area, you can get sun and cloud at the same time. That's London. No, pretty much everywhere in the world like this. Not London. Look at that. We've got a cell tower right here. Got a shot of the whole neighbourhood of Wembley. A lot of gentrification going on here as well. So if you live here, you can see. So I could do it like this. My YouTube channel is basically a timeline of London. So everywhere I've done in London, everywhere I've done a drone flight in London, you'll be able to see the difference. So this is what it looks like as of 2026, and now 2020. Whenever you're watching this, probably 2030. It's probably will change. Like an area that's abandoned, you probably see it's all now. It's all probably like a block of flats now. That's exactly what happens. That's how gentrification occurs. So this is Wembley Central. Should we go towards the stadium? I think the stadium's a bit too far though. Could though. Could get a drone flight there. Look, the amount of buses there is crazy. And look, there's a train. The amount of buses here is crazy. Like the train line is closed here for the Bakerloo Line or the Lioness Line. So basically the Overground, formerly the Overground. I mean, it is the Overground, cool, but it's just named differently for each part of the Overground. We've got a block of flats over here as well. Let's get a shot of this. All gentrified. London Borough of Brent's all gentrified. Not pretty much everywhere in London gentrified. Even when I flew in Kidbrook, same thing. Look at that. Got Sky Garden. Unparalleled drone flights, look at that. Got this area down towards here. I like the way these flats look. Looks kind of interesting and neat. Sun's come out again, so that's a good sign. Got a lot of crane. Look, all these gentrifications. 5 years time, all this will be completely built different. Probably even in 2 years time. It won't take that long for them to develop this. Everywhere in London, London's unfinished. In fact, there's always something happening in London. Look at that, that's the stadium. Should go towards the stadium. So that's towards Wembley Stadium. Let's go towards there. EE, it's owned by EE. Look at that, that's amazing, isn't it? Got a Premier Inn. Might as well get shot here, innit? It's towards the stadium, look at that. Go. That is insane. Look, let's go so close to it. We're not gonna go tremendously close to it. It's got a car park here as well. Look at that, it's very, very gentrified. So many flats here, so many new builds. I remember when I flew my drone the other day in Norfolk Park, I smacked it on the grass, but it was alright, luckily. Let's land our drone now, we've got to land it in a minute. Just in case some winds come, I'm just going to bring it close. Show the neighbourhood. To be honest, it's good that we came back, because if we stayed out there for long, our battery would have been low, and we're getting low already now. So yeah, I'm always careful with my battery. If it gets anywhere near low, I just bring it back. I stay local. See, the beeping started already. Birds are getting shook before I even bring my drone close to here. It's like they can smell it. It's crazy. Get a final shot. Coming towards here. You know, I should not make the voltage too low, because this battery, this mini 3 battery is on its low voltage anyway. I should make the voltage too low, because this battery is on its last legs. Like, the cycles is on almost 200, which DJ recommended me to replace. So this is my mini 3 battery. Anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight here of me flying in Wembley Central, London Borough of Brent in northwest London. Amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.